Substandard 2A states that we should coach teachers in and model design and implementation of technology-enhanced learning experiences addressing content standards and student technology standards. I completed 2 assignments in 2 different courses that I feel like helped me master this standard. The first one is the course structure assignment. Feel free to click on the link and it will pull up in a PDF for you to see. I've already got it pulled up, and here's it was just a write-up of a course that we were supposed to do in 7400. I chose to do a program on using Google Tools because Google Tools is now being implemented in several classrooms, and I wanted to make sure that my course trained my pretend students on all the different tools that Google has available. You can see we outlined exactly what we wanted to do with our course, and then we even set our learning objectives. We were only required to make a certain, just a few units, but with Google Tools you could easily make a whole lot more than just 4 units. And then we also aligned it to the ISTE standards. The next assignment was a unit plan that I created in 6213, and I chose to do a unit plan on understanding fractions because at the time I was teaching 3rd grade, and I felt like this was a good unit plan that I could not only use for my master's program but use in my classroom as well. And as you can see, we had to put in the summary, all the details, the content standards that we would want to meet, which would be your classroom standards. And then we set our objectives, our learning outcomes, and we set up our questions that we wanted to do. So really we just sat down and made a complete and total unit plan on whatever topic we wanted to, but we had to plan it out and break it down between day by day what we were going to do. But we had to include different things, like you can see right here. This was an interactive lesson plan. You can click on the hyperlink, it'll take you to my lesson plan. We had to have technology-centered exit slips. And then an inactivity with show me, and I will you can click on the link and it will take you to the show me assignment. It was a student sample, and then you'll also find the student sample in another substandard where I met that helped me to master another goal. You can also see right here where we made the accommodations for differentiated instruction and what technology we would need, and then all the links and things we would need for day by day. By doing these 2 assignments, I was able to use my teacher mind, my classroom teacher mind, and set up a lesson or a PD or a unit plan that was suitable for my classroom or the parents or teachers in my school. But then I had to make sure they all aligned to the ISTE standards and the classroom standards, and also the QB rubric that was given to us.